we are going to work on timer. What we have done, we have created a simple game, not even a game, just a small animation. But this timer can be useful when you make a game and there is no way to end the game. So timer can be one of the condition that will help you in making your game stop at some point. So if you see, when I press flag, because of the ghost effect, I'm increasing the ghost effect and then I'm reducing the ghost effect. So it's giving this animation now, but this is endless. If I want to, if I want it to end at some point, then I'll have to add a timer. This is one of the way I can do that. Or I can put it in a finite loop. Finite loop means that it will run for some time, like repeat. Repeat is a finite loop. It will execute for some time only. Forever is an infinite loop. It will keep on going all the time. So for a timer, choose the event on which you want to start. I want to start on when flag clicked only. Now here I'm going to make a variable called timer. Now we have discussed earlier as well that whenever you make a variable, always start it with some value when your project starts. So I'm starting the timer with, initially we can do it for 3 seconds. It will be quicker to test. I want the timer to start at 3. Then I want the timer to change its value. And after reaching some number, like after reaching some number, like 0 in this case, because I'm starting with 3, if I would have started with 0, I would have stopped it at 3. So because I'm starting with 3, I need to change the value of timer by 1. And then as soon as it reaches 0, I need it to stop. So what I'll do, I'm going to add the repeat until block now. And what does the repeat until block do is that it keeps the instructions going until it reaches a condition. A condition is met. And as soon that condition is met, it comes out of the loop. So I want the timer to change its value until the value of the timer reaches 0. So I'll have to bring an operator here, which is going to be equal to, because I want it to stop when value reaches 0. So my condition is clear that I'm going to use this timer variable and it is going to be 0. Now some people write the timer here, which is not correct. You need to use this variable from the variable block to have this condition work. Now, if I run here, if I run just this much, now you'll notice the timer worked, but it went too quickly and the game also doesn't stop. So here we'll have to add a wait, because the timer can change value of 1 second only after it has waited for a second. So I'll add. So first, the timer is set to 3. It will wait for a second. Then it will change the value. Wait for a second again. Change the value again. Wait for a second again. Change the value again. And each time it is changing the value, it is checking the condition if it is true or not. And as soon the condition is true, it will come out of the loop. And since it has come out of the loop, the next instruction will get executed. Now we want the game to stop, so our next instruction would be stop all. Now let's test it again. This time the game stopped, and that's how you use a timer. Timer can be used in any animation, in any game, to make your game or animation stop after some time. Hope you liked it.